Lacey.
And I'm Elise.
And we're the Digital Disruptors. We just attended the 2-day Plan for Profit event here in Vegas, and it has been one of the most eye-opening, incredible experiences I have ever had.
So I'm just going to add on to that. I am a firm believer in self-development and planning courses and investing in yourself, but I will say one of my biggest pet peeves about training is that you go and you get excited about it and someone motivates you, and then you go home and you do nothing. Has that ever happened to you?
Oh, every time.
This is not that.
We actually implement the things here. So everything crazy that's going on in our heads is now on paper, and we have a plan. So when we go home, we can execute the plan. It's done.
And you literally leave with the result. So if you're the type of person who is looking for a more disciplined approach, you need someone to walk you through exactly what to do during the year to get you to focus on creating profit.
Go to Plan for Profit.
Thank you, guys.